What if I told you that achieving 1 million isn't about luck, connections, or waiting for the perfect moment? It's about taking deliberate, focused actions that anyone can replicate with the right mindset and effort. In this video, we're not just talking about dreaming of 1 million, we're breaking down the exact steps to force your way to it. No shortcuts, no fluff, just a practical, no-nonsense roadmap for those ready to put in the work. Whether you're starting with zero experience or struggling to gain traction, this guide is designed to help you navigate the chaos, find your focus, and build a sustainable path to financial freedom. We'll cover the journey in 3 phases, show you the step-by-step milestones, and give you tools to push past challenges. Once we finish here, you'll have a clear understanding of the strategies you need to start turning your effort into results. This isn't about hoping for success, it's about making it inevitable. Ready to take control and force your way to 1 million? Let's get to it. Reaching 1 million may seem like an impossible dream, but when you break it down, it's a journey with predictable phases and milestones. For most people, achieving this level of wealth takes time. On average, anywhere from 7 to 10 years of focused effort. The key isn't about luck or timing, it's about persistence, strategy, and an understanding of the process. Think of this journey as a marathon, not a sprint. Too often people burn out because they expect overnight results. But the reality is, building 1 million happens in stages, and every stage brings new challenges and lessons. The exciting part, this isn't reserved for a select few. People from all walks of life, entrepreneurs, creators, and professionals, are hitting this milestone by following clear steps. In this video, we'll segment the journey into 3 distinct phases that apply across industries and skill levels. You'll learn how to stay on track, identify where you are in the process, and what actions to take to keep moving forward. By understanding the timeline, you'll see that consistent effort and smart decisions compound over time, transforming small wins into massive success. The path to 1 million is not a straight line, it unfolds in 3 key phases. Understanding these phases will give you clarity and help you stay focused as you work toward your goal. Each phase has its own challenges, but they all contribute to your eventual success. Phase 1: Learn and build. This is the chaotic early stage where results are minimal and the learning curve is steep. During this phase, you're gaining the knowledge and skills necessary to succeed. But it feels like your efforts are going unnoticed. This is where most people give up. But if you can push through this phase, you're laying the foundation for future success. Phase 2: Optimize traction. In this phase, you begin to see the fruits of your labor. Your systems and processes are refined, and results start to come in. This is when you start gaining momentum and realize that all that hard work is starting to pay off. Phase 3: Liftoff. The final phase is where your efforts explode into exponential growth. You've figured out what works, scaled it, and now you're on a trajectory towards significant financial success. This is when the 1 million mark becomes not just possible, but inevitable. Now that we've introduced the 3 key phases, let's dive deeper into each one and explore what you can expect during each stage of your journey to 1 million. Phase 1: Learn and build. This is where the grind begins. You're likely to face frustration, confusion, and little to no immediate payoff. You'll invest time in learning, experimenting, and possibly failing multiple times. However, every failure teaches you something new, and every small step is building toward something bigger. This phase is essential because it shapes your mindset and develops your ability to solve problems. Don't worry if progress seems slow, this is the foundation. Phase 2: Optimize traction. By now, you've refined your processes and have a better sense of what works. The key to this phase is optimizing and scaling what you've already started. You're no longer just grinding, you're working smarter. While results might still be incremental, they are steadily growing. Focus on efficiency and continuing to improve your product, service, or approach. This is where consistency pays off and your growth accelerates. Phase 3: Liftoff. This is the game-changing phase where your efforts go into overdrive. You've figured out the key ingredients to success, and now you can scale quickly. The momentum you've built in the previous phases starts to compound, resulting in exponential growth. Systems are running smoothly, demand is increasing, and the financial rewards start flowing in. At this stage, the 1 million mark is no longer a dream, it's within reach. Now that we've covered the phases of growth, it's time to break down the journey into actionable steps. These 10 key stages, labeled from A to J, will guide you through the process, giving you a clear understanding of what to focus on at each stage of your journey to 1 million. A decision to start. The journey begins with a decision. You've made the choice to commit to the process, and that's where everything changes. Make a firm decision to take action, no matter how challenging it seems. Be initial struggles and determination. The beginning is always the hardest. Expect setbacks, and don't be discouraged. Your persistence will be what keeps you moving forward. See, validating the business. You've got an idea, But now it's time to test it. This stage is all about ensuring there's a real market for what you're offering. Hiring the first employee. At this point, your business starts to grow, and you'll need to bring in help. Hiring the right person will free up your time and add essential skills to your team, e-learning and improving systems. Once you have some traction, it's time to refine your systems. This will allow you to be more efficient and deliver better results. Growing technical capabilities and reinvesting. As your business expands, reinvesting in your capabilities will be crucial. This might mean upgrading technology, improving processes, or acquiring new skills. Achieving a significant revenue milestone. Reaching a key revenue milestone is a huge accomplishment and a sign that you're on the right track. This is a confidence booster that proves your business model works. Managing increased demand and capacity constraints. Growth means more demand, which means you need to scale your operations. Managing increased demand effectively is crucial for sustaining growth. Focusing on quality and scaling. As you scale, maintain your focus on quality. This will help you build a solid reputation and ensure long-term success. Achieving personal and financial joy. The final step is achieving the balance of personal satisfaction and financial stability. At this point, you're not just financially successful, you've built a sustainable business that aligns with your values. As you work through each stage of your journey to 1 million, there are critical lessons to keep in mind that can make or break your success. The road to wealth is rarely smooth, and setbacks are part of the process. However, how you respond to challenges is what sets successful people apart from those who quit too early. Persistence is everything. One of the most important insights you'll gain is that persistence is the key to overcoming adversity. There will be times when you feel like giving up, but pushing through those moments is what separates the successful from the unsuccessful. Every challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. Embrace failure as a teacher. Don't be afraid to fail. Every failure brings you one step closer to understanding what works and what doesn't. Some of the most successful entrepreneurs failed multiple times before they found their winning formula. Reinvest in yourself and your business. Reinvesting in both your personal growth and your business is essential for scaling. As your business grows, your skills and mindset must evolve to handle new challenges. Focus on value creation, not money. The money will follow when you focus on creating value for others. Build a business that solves real problems and meets real needs, and the financial rewards will come. Engage with your audience. Don't underestimate the power of community. Engage with your audience and customers. Ask for feedback and make them feel heard. Building a loyal community can be a huge asset as you scale. Now that you've got a roadmap to take you from where you are to where you want to be, 1 million, it's time to take action. The journey will be challenging, and there will be moments where you feel stuck. But keep pushing forward. Remember, the difference between those who succeed and those who don't is the ability to persist through hard times. As we've seen, success is built in phases, from the chaotic early days of learning and building to the optimized traction of growth, and ultimately the liftoff that leads to exponential success. Each phase comes with its own set of lessons, but the most important thing is that you never give up. Reinvest in yourself, trust the process, and keep moving forward. Because 1 million is not a matter of luck, it's a result of your relentless effort and commitment. Call to action: if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with others who are ready to break through, and subscribe for more content on building wealth and achieving success. Also, leave a comment below about where you are in your journey, or share your own tips for staying persistent. Don't forget to check out the resources in the description for even more tools to help you on your way to 1 million. Let's make it happen together.